Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make new roles on Discord. So go to Discord and then go to your profile, go to server setting and then tap roles, and then on the right top corner tap the plus icon, and now name your new role as a moderator and then change its color. And now tap create. After that select your permission like cosmetic, member or moderator. So I'm going to choose moderator and then tap select. So after that pick a friend so that you can add him or her to your new role. So yeah, this is how you can create a new role on Discord. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.